How to see deactivated Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram. Make sure to log into your account. Now hit the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you will land on your profile feed where at the top you will see post, followers and followings. Simply select followers. Now on this page you will see different categories like account you don't follow back, list interacted with, flagged for your review and deactivated accounts. Simply you need to tap deactivated accounts and you will see all the deactivated Instagram accounts. So as I said earlier, these are all the deactivated accounts. If you want to remove these accounts, tap on remove button and to confirm again tap remove and it will be removed from your Instagram followers list. So that's how we see deactivated Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.